Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make aesthetic product ads with Pipit AI without filming needed. First, just open Pipit AI like this. I have put the link in the descriptions and pinned comment below. So you can just click the link at there to open this web. And then once you're on the websites like this, at the homepage like this, just tap on the video generator, this one. And then next, just simply write your prompt describing the aesthetic product video that you want on here. For example, I want to input my prompt on here like this. And then next, just you can upload your product photo on here. This will help the AI generate a video that match your product. And then you can also add a reference video or even paste a reference link from social media if you want these styles to full specific video. And then next, just choose your AI model. In here, I want to choose Pipit Standard since it's cheaper and has a shorter time to generate. And then in here, you can use your ratio. In here, I want to use this ratio, and then you can also adjust the language, subtitles, and then the video length. And then in here you can also schedule the process. And in here, maybe I want to upload a my product photo like this. And then in here, I want to choose Pipit Standard. And then I think it's enough. And then just tap submit if you already satisfied with these settings. Just click on submit and then confirm, and then just wait for the process. And okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's just take a look.
Nature's perfect gift, captured at the peak of freshness. Every drop, a burst of pure sun-ripened flavor. Straight from the orchard, straight to you. Ladna, 100% orange juice, made by nature.
Okay, I think the result is so good. You can just see it. The result is so cool, even though it still has the weird angle or the weird camera. I think the results overall still cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.